Hi, this is wpholder, the Ukrainian guy who can help you with your website. Feel free to contact me with your request by info under this video or simply by leaving your request in our comments area. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'm trying my best and it's easy and free for you. Okay, today I want to show you how to connect your PayPal account to your WooCommerce shop. But if my video helped you, you can say thank you by leaving some donation or tips to support me. All info you can find in the description area under this video. Okay, so you have PayPal, you have WooCommerce shop like I am. Here is two products I have, two beautiful products. So I want to connect PayPal. You should go into plugins and install plugin which is WooCommerce PayPal Checkout Gateway. I already have it, but I'll show you how to do it. Click Add New and search for plugin. Just write WooCommerce PayPal. It will be enough. Okay, here we have a lot of results. All these plugins works pretty same, so you can use any of them, but the steps will be very similar. Here is my plugin, which is PayPal Checkout Payment Gateway. I already activated it. Okay, let's go into settings. We should go to WooCommerce, settings, and to payments. Okay, payments. Here is our active PayPal Checkout payment settings, which is our plugin. Let's check it. Okay, so what we should do here, make sure this button is active. This checkbox is checked. After, you should go into API creditance and click set up or link an exciting PayPal account. Just click it. Okay, let's check how it works. Capture. Okay, so here you should write your login pass and fill all information for PayPal will request from you. After this, PayPal will be linked and it will work. Okay, that's all you need to do. Other steps will be minor edits. Okay, so let's see how it works now. I don't have PayPal, so I have nothing to connect, but it will work anyway. Just will not accept payments. So let's go to products, add to cart, view cart, and we have button here, PayPal. Oh, well, also let's check simple product page. We have here PayPal for fast, only one-click checkout. We have here PayPal, and let's go to checkout. We have here our payment method, which is PayPal and button PayPal. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you will want to remove PayPal from here and remove PayPal from here. So how we do it? We go into our plugin, and let's search the settings. Okay, let's scroll to the bottom and enable on the checkout page. Okay, yes, we want enable on checkout page. Enable PayPal credit message. Yes, we need this message. Enable PayPal credit to customers eligible. Oh my god, wrong side. Okay, enable on the single product page. No, we don't need it. And enable on the cart page. No, we don't need it. And here you can change the styles for button if you want, but I'm not sure if you want like gold, blue, silver. You see, let's check it blue. Okay, quick save. So let's see what changes we did. Cart page, no PayPal button. Single product page, no PayPal button. Checkout. Okay, let's check PayPal. Okay, we change the styles. So if you want to modify this button a little more, you definitely need to know some CSS, or you can contact me and I will change the styles for your button, which will be like $50. So not much. Anyway, that's all. You can accept PayPal payments in your WooCommerce shop, which was pretty easy to do. By the way, I recommend you to use not some plugins to integrate into PayPal. For safety, I of course recommend you to contact me to do the job on the top level. And I recommend you to use 1 minute. the thing which is WooCommerce payments. Let's check. This is all-in-one WooCommerce payments from WooCommerce. I don't have any affiliates, so don't worry. And you just pay them like 2%, I think, for merchant, and you can get all payments in one, like credit card, debit card, PayPal, Stripe, etc., etc., etc. Apple Pay, you know. So I hope this video helped you. If no, ask questions in comments. I'm always happy to help you answer your questions. So have a good day, good luck to business, and thank you.